Hello, today's topic? At the coffee shop.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, just stopping for coffee.
Me too. What's your favorite kind?
I like a simple black coffee. And you?
I prefer a latte with extra foam.
That sounds delicious. Do you come here often?
Yes, I'm a regular. It's cozy.
It's my first time. The atmosphere is nice.
Indeed, it's a great place to relax.
Do you usually work here or just hang out?
I often work here. What about you?
I'm meeting a friend for a chat.
Nice. Friends and coffee, a perfect combination.
Absolutely. What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I'm a software developer. What do you teach?
English to foreigners.
That's fascinating. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love helping others learn.
That's admirable. English can be tricky.
It can, but practice makes perfect.
True. I've been trying to improve my English.
You're doing great. Keep it up.
Thanks. Well, it was nice chatting.
Likewise. Enjoy your coffee and see you around.
Vocabulary.
Coffee. Good. Favorite. Simple. Black. Extra. Regular. Atmosphere. Relax. Work. Friend. Cat. Perfect. Fascinating. Teach. Foreigner. Admirable. Tricky. Practice. Keep.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.